Well, Sudhir continuing from the far end, bowling his off spinners. Sagata on strike. Let's see if he can takes him on. But they're working in singles now. I think probably change of plan. Probably they're looking to bat out the overs now. Get some confidence going, because this is their first match in this league. And getting runs in a match situation is always so good, so very vital for your confidence.
Yeah, absolutely, and always a learning curve as well for any side. As rightly mentioned, just the first game for Bengal Tigers. Once again going for the wild heave on the onside. Sudhir so far has been very impressive. A bit of agony there for the wicket keeper, who's the captain as well, Sudeep.
Well, I think he's got it on his knee. Probably there's not enough padding on the wicket-keeping pads here. But here, the Heroes have fallen to a slow from a ball. Well, 4 wickets have been lost by the Tigers. First one to go was the run out.
Good straight
direct hit from Rajesh in the mid-on area. That was excellent cricket. It's gone.
Yeah, absolutely. Rajesh have been special on the field. Then was Raja striking timber on that occasion. Pradeep was delighted with that. 56 for 2 at that stage. And then Jishu was looking good. Was run out in a peculiar fashion. Good work once again in the field. That has been the hallmark so far of this Karnataka team. They have been special. And then Rajiv once again in the deep, taking that one to a nicety. Excellent anticipation.
That's one of the carbon Kamal catches so far. Very few have been taken. A lot of catches have been dropped. And there's one competition going. I mean, whoever takes a good catch out of the catches in the match gets a carbon Kamal prize for that game.
Once again, a bit of misfield there from Sudhir, resulting in a single. We rightly mentioned now they're just picking those singles. The strategy seems to be just bat out the remaining overs.
But it's going to be good for Karnataka Bulldozers as well, because with the Tigers not really getting close to their target, their run rate is going to be very vital. That's a good shot in between, piercing the fielders, off long off, and deep cover fence for a well hit boundary.
Yeah, and with that boundary, the 100 up as well for Bengal Tigers. 11 boundaries, 3 massive sixes in that 100. That last strike was pretty good. Very good execution, playing in the gap. The placement was the key. Lovely bat flow as well. Boundary coming after a long time here for Bengal Tigers. But still a long way to go for them.
Well, trying to chip. I mean, nothing short really. Not really going for a ground shot or a lofted shot.
The problem is Sudhir doesn't have the pace, and just see the people here at this venue really enjoying themselves. They are watching a very good game of cricket. Carbon Mobile. The contest also going on. Once again playing in the air. There's a man in the deep just cutting it off. In fact, a bit of fumble as well in the deep. Settling for a couple of runs to end the over. 103 for 4 after 12 overs.
Come on.